Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome web browser current stable version on Oracle Linux 9.7. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Oracle Linux 9.7, that is Firefox, but the process is same on all Oracle Linux versions. Now go to Google or any search engine and search for Google Chrome. Download Chrome. Then click on this Google Chrome web browser. Then click on download Chrome. Then select the 64-bit.rpm package. Then click on accept and install. See, download started and its size is 115 megabytes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. Now we have to install it. Sudo rpm -ivh no deps, then Google, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter, provide the password of the currently logged in user, it must be sudo user, hit enter. See, we are installing version number 142. We have successfully installed. Now go to activities, show applications. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. If you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to keep the checkbox, and if you want to automatically send usage statistics and class reports to Google, you have to select the checkboxes. Okay, it is up to you. Then click on OK. Then don't want to sign in. Got it. See, we got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Google Chrome current stable version, that is 142 on Oracle Linux 9.7. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.